questions, happy farmers? All right, everything needs to be perfect for Todd's birthday. Let's review the plan one more time.
Since today is Todd's birthday, we'll make sure he's going to relax.
We'll take care of everything, so Todd won't need to do anything. He won't suspect a thing, and in the end, we'll throw a surprise party for him.
Perfect!
This is so exciting! I've never planned a surprise birthday party before.
Morning, Todd. What a great day!
You're totally right, Summer.
Beautiful day.
And beautiful flowers. Can I help you unload them?
They're fresh cut from the fields. Betty and I got this. You can just relax.
Maybe I can help you put them in vases?
We got it, Todd. Enjoy the day.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Looks like Molly could use a hand.
Hey there, Todd. No need to work up a sweat on this special day. I got this.
Okay, Harry. Thanks. Whoa! Doris, let me help you.
Whoa, not so fast, sir. I got this.
Okay. Doris, why so many eggs today?
On a special day like this, I'm making my famous egg souffle.
All right. And it sure is special. Everyone seems to think so anyway.
Sure is special. Not much for you to do here, sir. We appreciate you.
Well, since no one seems to need my help here, maybe I'll just go see what Pico's doing. Surely he could use a helping hand. To the vegetable garden. Hey there, Pico. What you doing?
Oh, hey, Todd. I'm picking the freshest fruit, and only the best will do on a day like this.
Yeah, I know. It's a special day. Oh, hold on. I have a special fruit picker that will help.
No need. I'm enjoying this, and you should just relax. It's a great day.
Aw, it seems like today no one needs me. I guess I'll go find someone else to help.
Huh?
Well, maybe I can get my hands dirty here. I'll just cut the weed and bundle it up. Huh?
Oh, hey, Todd. We're just helping out so you don't have to worry about cutting the fields. Good job. Almost done.
But I don't mind. I want to do something for the farm.
Not on this special day.
Okay, thanks, I guess. Maybe here I can finally pitch some hay.
Huh? Okay, horsies, good work. Let's move those piles over there.
What? How did you get here so fast?
I don't know what you mean. The horsies wanted to help, so we thought it might be nice on this special.
Special day, I know.
Exactly. Nothing for you to do here. Maybe just...
Go relax, I know. I gotta find something to do. Aha! Finally, I can do something. Now to pick some pumpkins and... Huh?
Oh, hi, Todd.
I can't believe it! How? Why?
We're making the best pumpkin pie ever for the best day ever.
I can't take it anymore. Please let me help.
Don't worry, Todd. Remember, there is a solution to every problem. How about you get the pie crusts ready? Meet us at the house front porch in 1 hour.
Pie crusts? Anything a bit more challenging?
Nope, pie crust will be okay.
They'll be ready in a hurry. wanted to do something for the farm, and I'm here baking some pie crusts. Well, better than nothing, I guess. Hello there. I helped out and have pie crusts. Summer and the others should be here by now. I hope I'm not too late.
Surprise!
Huh? What's going on?
We wanted to surprise you on your birthday!
Oh, that's why today is so special. And why you didn't want me to do any work. Aw, you guys are too good to me.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Todd! We're just so happy to be part of the farm and work with you, Todd.
I guess you guys got the dates mixed up. My birthday is tomorrow, not today. There's only one last thing to do. Time for a birthday dance.
Sunflower surprise.
Thanks.
Oh, I'm out of flowers to sell already.
Hey, Summer. Why not take these to the flower field and get more?
Great idea. Too bad we don't have sunflowers. They're my favorite. I grew one in an oversized pot back in the city.
Did you hear that? Did you know sunflowers are Summer's favorite flower?
Actually, I've been putting together a special surprise for her. A sunflower field.
Wow!
I know she misses some of her favorite things, so I wanted to do something special for her.
Isn't she headed for the flower fields right now?
Huh? Uh-oh. She'll see the field before her surprise is ready. Come on, to the flower fields. Phew, we got here before summer.
But Todd, why are the sunflowers so droopy?
Young sunflowers follow the sun. So when the sun comes out, the sunflowers will perk up and aim at the sun, like so.
Is that Summer's car?
Oh, I can't let her see the field like this.
Hey, Todd.
You can gather flowers later. I need your help.
Okay, I'm always happy to help.
Oh, the seed delivery. Can you pick up the seed delivery and bring it to the veggie patch?
Sure thing.
Phew.
I thought I was going to pick up the seed delivery.
Sorry, Pico. I want the field to be perfect when Summer first sees it.
So you need to make sure Summer stays away until the sun comes out and shines down on the field. Todd, you're so sweet. Making this surprise for Summer. Yeah, we want to help too.
I'll bring Summer back as soon as the sun comes out. You stay close so you can help me distract her.
There you are, Pico. Here are the seeds. Oh, look. The sun is coming out.
Summer! Let's get back to the field so you can gather those flowers.
I thought you said there was no rush. Guess things gotta keep moving on the farm. What's wrong?
I just remembered. The sheep got out again. Oh, we better take care of that first.
Good thinking, Todd. I'm glad to help.
Yup, the sheep got out again.
We gotta help Todd keep Summer distracted till the sun comes out.
Todd, we're in luck. They haven't gone far.
Back to the flowers.
We gotta stay with them.
see her before. Well, good thing we're here.
I won't give up. I'll get Summer there at the perfect time.
Did you say something, Todd? Well, I'll get to the flowers then.
No! I mean, huh? You can't go now. It's time to pick vegetables.
Oh, you're right. It's almost lunch. Fresh veggies would be perfect.
Summer, let's get to the flower field before the sun goes in again.
Huh? Why?
It's a surprise.
Are you okay, Todd? Oh.
Look!
Todd, you remembered that sunflowers are my favorite. You did all this for me. And you worked so hard to make it a surprise. Thank you. We brought flowers and veggies for lunch.
There's something extra for an afternoon snack, too. Sunflower seeds.
Yay!
Good job giving me a special surprise, Todd. Now it's time for a sunflower dance.
Overnight camping.
Now, where did that go? Oh, hello there.
Oh, you scared me.
Sorry about that. My name is Summer.
Hi, Summer. I'm Oscar. I'm looking for a tree to sleep. It's my first night on my own in the forest.
Wow, you're so brave.
Well, that's what my mom says. But can I tell you a secret?
Sure, anything.
I'm actually a little scared.
I'm sure you'll be fine, but if it makes you feel any better, I'm going camping tonight for the first time, and I'm a little scared too.
Okay, everyone, it's almost time.
That's Todd. I gotta go, but be brave. I know you can do it.
Okay, thanks. And you too.
How we doing, Betty?
Good. Pico and I have loaded all the fresh vegetables.
Great. Check. What about Molly and Harry?
We got all the milk.
And fresh fruit for the smoothies.
Excellent. Check, check.
And I got all the eggs for tomorrow's breakfast.
Sounds good, Doris. Now, where's Summer? Oh, hi, Summer. That's a lot of stuff. We're only staying one night.
I know, but I'm nervous I won't have everything. We'll need night lights when it gets dark, extra chairs, an umbrella.
You'll be fine, Summer. We're all here together. Are you ready?
Sure, but I better drive my own car since I have all this stuff.
Okay, follow me.
Let's set up the camp.
I'll build the fire ring for tonight's campfire.
Got you covered, Todd.
Oh, what a mess! I need to set up my tent.
I can help, Summer.
Thanks, Betty.
Hey, Summer, you don't need this tent. You can sleep with us under the stars.
Oh, no. I need some protection. It's so dark at night, and I feel better inside.
Okay, but we're all here, so you don't need to worry.
Hey! No fair! Wait up!
Here's the blanket for tonight.
Okay, it's going to get dark soon, so I should get my flashlights ready. Oh, no! My backpack is missing. It must have fallen off. I gotta go find it.
I can drive you, Summer?
Huh? Hello? Is someone there?
Oh, it's you again. You sure like to scare me.
Oh, so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be okay. Oh, am I kidding? I'm super scared.
It's okay. I'm here with you. And just remember, Oscar, there is a solution to every problem.
Thanks. I already feel better. But why are you here?
I lost my backpack, and it has my flashlights in it. I'm scared I won't be able to see anything soon.
That's why I'm scared. Not the flashlights, but I won't be able to see either.
But you have night vision.
Really? I never used it.
You just need to open your eyes really wide.
Oh, wow! I can see all the way over there. And there.
That's great!
But what about you?
I almost forgot. I need to find my backpack.
Wow, let me help you with that. I see something over there. Come on.
Oh, Oscar, you found it. Thank you.
Not a problem. May I guide you back?
Yes, of course. It's nice to have company. Out here.
There you are! I was just about to go look for you. And you met a friend?
This is Oscar. It's his first night on his own, and he helped me back with his night vision.
Not before Summer showed me how to use it.
That's great! And you're just in time for dinner.
Wow, I was getting hungry.
And Summer, we can put your nightlights all around if you like. Look, fireflies!
Actually, Todd, I think I'm good being outside and sleeping with everyone under the stars tonight.
Great job, everyone! There's only one last thing to do. Time for a camp dance!
The hens are sick!
Okay, happy farmers, the annual bake-off contest is officially underway.
That's right, Todd. Today's winner will have the honor of sharing your best baked goods at the farmer's market.
And will receive this awesome blue ribbon.
Wait, where's Doris?
Oh, she told me to deliver her famous custard cake. She had an emergency at the market.
Okay, that's not like her, but maybe we should start with her dessert first.
She always has the freshest eggs, and I'm sure this will be amazing.
Fresh eggs!
She's got us there.
It's true.
Disgusting!
Oh.
It burns!
Okay, that is not right.
Definitely wrong. Todd, we need to go to the market and find Doris.
These eggs taste rotten!
They smell funny, too.
They ruined my pasta. Oh, so sorry. I'll try to get better eggs. Sorry about your pasta.
Hey, Doris, what's going on?
We missed you at the bake-off, and your dessert was, not your best?
Oh, I know. Something is wrong with my eggs, and I don't know why.
Well, sounds like we better go investigate, starting with your hens.
Great idea, Summer. To the hen house.
The hens don't look so healthy. Aha! And look at this.
This looks green.
That's odd. What's going on, Doris?
Well, my hens are looking kind of sick lately, and they aren't making as many eggs. I'm not sure why.
Maybe it's too hot out here and they are feeling exhausted. I have an idea.
I'm not sure this is the answer.
Yeah, they don't seem to be improving.
Oh, I got it. They must have a fever and feel cold. We need lots of hay to keep them warm and comfortable.
Summer, I think this might be too much.
I don't think this is the answer either. Sorry, dear.
Well, if they aren't too hot or too cold, but still look tired, maybe they need some exercise. In the city, exercise always made us feel better.
Are you sure about...
Okay, chickadees, let's get moving. Step forward, twirl around, jump and clap. Step to the side, jump and clap.
Whoa! That was definitely not the answer.
Definitely not.
Oh, you're right. Maybe I don't know how to help the hens.
Don't worry, Summer. Sometimes a mistake can lead you to the right answer.
You're right, Todd. There's one thing I didn't think about.
Oh, dear. I hope it's not more exercise.
Hey, Pico, hold up.
Oh, hey, Summer. It's time to feed the hens.
Can I see what you're feeding them?
Sure, but I don't think you're gonna like it.
Todd, these potatoes look green.
Unripe potatoes are bad for hens. They make them sick.
That's why they don't feel good.
And it made the eggs taste bad.
And smell funny.
What have I done? I'm a monster.
It's okay, Pico. We know you didn't do it on purpose.
But we better change out those potatoes for healthy grains right away.
Oh, Summer, thank you so much. You did it. You figured out the problem, and now my hens and eggs are saved.
That was delicious, Harry.
I love apple pie. Yummy.
Now for our final contestant, Doris and her custard cake.
Amazing!
Oh, my, thank you. And I owe it all to Summer.
Congratulations, Doris. It was my pleasure, as long as we all get to taste your famous custard cake and share it with everyone at the market.
Delicious! Delicious job, everyone! Only one last thing to do. Time for an egg dance! Dairy Day! Hello, everyone! The place is looking great!
Hi, Todd. It's going to be hot today. But Dairy Day sounds like a lot of fun.
Not only is it fun, it's also delicious!
That's right, Betty. We do this once a year to celebrate everything that comes from milk, like ice cream, yogurt, butter, and my favorite, cheese.
Yummy! I never thought about all the food that comes from milk. Other than milk.
And that is why we're taking a field trip to the place where it all happens.
Hey, Todd, are we gonna see how ice cream gets made?
Yes, Pico, but remember not to eat too much. Pico tends to overdo it in the ice cream department. To the milk shed!
Hello, and welcome to my famous farm milk factory. I always say, the better the milk, the better the dairy. Ooh, can we eat some ice cream now? We still need to make it. In the meantime, you can gather some fruit for the ice cream. Sure, Molly.
Wow! Do you give the cows a bath in there?
Oh, no, Summer. We pour all the milk from these containers inside, heat it up, and slowly stir it around.
That makes ice cream?
No, this is for cheese. That is for ice cream. We cool that way down and quickly stir it around.
This is the fun part. Let's get started.
I'll go get some more fresh milk.
This is so cool!
Yeah, but it's getting really hot. I'm really starting to sweat in this big old coat.
Remember, both containers need to be constantly stirred until they are super thick.
That looks so relaxing. I would love a comb like that.
I got the fruit! Oh, no! That was supposed to be for the ice cream!
The machine is broken.
It's okay, Pico. We'll just try something different. I'll be right back. We can use these to stir the milk by hand.
This was my mistake. Let me fix it. Yeah.
This is hard work, and I'm getting hungry.
Oh, me too. I need to check the ice cream.
At least that machine is still working.
I'll go get more fruit for the ice cream and some snacks since we're getting hungry.
Wow, that's starting to look like ice cream.
Let's eat it!
Not so fast, Betty. The machine needs to get really cold, and we need to add in a few more ingredients.
Peanut butter, banana, graham cracker ice cream?
The machine broke too, and it's so hot, Todd. What are we going to do without ice cream?
I'm back. Why does everyone look so sad?
We broke your machines and added all the wrong ingredients.
And now we won't even have ice cream to cool us off.
I'm sorry, Molly. It's all my fault.
Actually, Pico, this is our chance to start over again and do it even better. Now it's more powerful than before.
Good job, Todd. Now we just have to put it in the bowl, flip it over, and let it age. That's how you make cheese.
Wow!
I'm going to hyper-freeze it.
Look! The ice cream is ready!
Yay!
It's time for us to get back to the marketplace and get this dairy day going. Hey, everyone! We got some fresh dairy for everyone!
Molly, I forgot to tell you about the cheese.
I know. It's apricot cheese now. I bet it'll be delicious.
Great job, everyone! There's only one last thing to do. Time for a Dairy Day dance!
Come join us at Sunshine Farm. Subscribe to the channel.